Hey, English learners! Welcome back to English You Never Learned.
The podcast that helps you speak real English for real life. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today's topic is small but powerful. Because one short sentence can change someone's whole day.
Compliments.
Yes, how to give compliments in English. Not the textbook kind, the real kind. The kind people actually say.
And also the kind that feels natural, not awkward. Because a lot of learners tell me, Leo, I want to be friendly, but I don't know what to say.
Or they say something, but it comes out too strong. Or too strange. And then they panic and stop talking.
If that's you, don't worry. Today, we'll give you simple phrases, real examples, and easy templates you can use right away.
And we'll also talk about one important thing. Compliments are not only about English, they're about connection. They're how you show warmth, respect, and interest.
Exactly. Compliments are like a social key. They open doors. They help you make friends. They help you feel less nervous. And honestly, they make you more memorable.
Before we start, quick favor. If this episode helps you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Especially the friend who wants to make friends, but only says hello and then disappears.
Okay, let's begin.
Emma, I want to ask you something. When you hear the word compliment, what do you think of?
I think of a small gift. Like, not expensive, but meaningful. You're giving someone a nice moment.
I like that. A compliment is a small gift.
And it's free.
The best price.
But learners often have a problem. They can understand compliments when they hear them, but they can't create them quickly.
Right. So let's make it easy. We'll start with the most common compliment pattern in English.
The easiest one is, I like your.
Yes. I like your jacket. I like your haircut. I like your shoes.
Simple, safe, friendly.
And it works in many situations. At work, at school, meeting new people, even with strangers.
But here's a small upgrade. Instead of I like your, you can say I love your.
I love your style. I love your energy.
But be careful. Love is stronger than like. For some people, love feels very big. So if you're unsure, start with like.
True. Now, here's a common learner mistake. They want to compliment someone, but they say something like, "You are so beautiful."
That can be okay, but it depends. With close friends, sure. With strangers, it can feel too direct.
Especially in professional settings. At work, it's safer to compliment someone's effort, skills, or choices, like clothing style, presentation, work quality.
Exactly. So let's break compliments into safe categories. I love categories. They make my brain calm.
Same. Okay. Category 1. Appearance choices. Not the body. The choice.
Right. Your outfit looks great. That color looks really nice on you. Your hair looks amazing today.
Notice the word today. That helps. It makes it feel light and not intense.
Yes, today makes it gentle.
Category 2. Personality and energy.
Like, you're so easy to talk to. You have such a positive vibe. You're really thoughtful.
I love thoughtful. It's warm, but not romantic.
Category 3. Effort and hard work. This one is perfect for work and school.
You worked really hard on that. I can tell you put a lot of effort into this. Great job.
Category 4. Skills. This is a big one.
You're really good at explaining things. You're a great listener. You're so organized.
Category 5. Something specific they did.
Yes. Specific compliments are the best compliments because they feel real.
Like, the way you handled that situation was impressive. Or, I liked how you asked that question. It was very clear.
Okay. Now let's talk about the biggest secret. Specificity.
If you say you're awesome, it's nice, but it's general.
If you say, "You're awesome because you always make people feel included," that's a gift.
Exactly. That second one is more personal, more memorable.
Let's do a few examples in real conversations. Emma, pretend we're at a cafe. You just met someone new. You want to be friendly.
Okay, I would say, hey, I like your tote bag. The design is really cool.
Perfect. You said the object and a detail. The design is cool.
Or, that's a great choice of drink. I've never tried that. Is it good?
Wait. That's amazing. Because you compliment and ask a question.
Yes. Compliment plus question. That's friendship fuel.
That's like pouring water on a small plant.
Exactly. Now it grows.
Okay, another situation. You're in class. Someone gives a presentation.
I'd say, your presentation was really clear. I like the examples you used.
Great. Clear, specific, and about skill.
Also, I can say, you spoke confidently. It made it easy to follow.
That's a beautiful compliment.
Now, let's talk about compliments for friends. Friends can handle warmer compliments.
Yes. With friends, you can say, I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you is powerful.
And learners often avoid it because it feels emotional. But in English, people say it a lot.
Especially when someone tries something hard, like a job interview, a performance, a big decision.
I'm proud of you for trying. Even if they fail.
That one can make someone cry in a good way.
Now, a quick note. Compliments can also be a way to support queer friends in a natural way.
Yes. Like complimenting their confidence, their style, their courage, or how comfortable they make others feel.
For example, I love how you express yourself. Or, you seem really confident in who you are. That's inspiring.
Those are meaningful compliments, and they focus on the person's presence, not stereotypes.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about another big learner problem. The fear of sounding fake.
Yes. Some learners think compliments in English are too much. Like everyone is too nice.
That's true culturally. In some cultures, compliments are rare. In English-speaking cultures, especially in the US, they're common.
It doesn't mean people are lying. It means people use compliments as social warmth.
Like a handshake, but with words.
Yes. But if you don't want to sound fake, here's the rule. Don't compliment everything. Compliment what you truly notice.
And keep it short.
Short compliments sound natural, like, nice work today. That's a great idea. I like that.
Now, let's talk about how to respond to compliments. Because that's also hard for learners.
Many learners say, no, no, no. It's nothing.
That's very common.
But in English, the simplest response is, thank you.
Just thank you. Smile. Done.
If you want to add a little more, say thank you. That means a lot.
Or, thanks. I really appreciate it.
Or, thank you, I worked hard on it.
That one is great because you accept the compliment and you don't push it away.
Some learners worry accepting a compliment is arrogant.
But in English, rejecting a compliment can feel uncomfortable for the other person because they offered you a gift and you threw it back.
Yes, say thank you. Put the gift in your pocket.
Okay, now let's go deeper. Let's give listeners some compliment templates they can reuse.
Template 1. I really like how you plus action.
I really like how you explained that. I really like how you stayed calm.
Template 2. That was really plus adjective.
That was really helpful. That was really kind. That was really thoughtful.
Template 3. You're really good at plus skill.
You're really good at teaching. You're really good at making people feel welcome.
Template 4. You have a great plus noun.
You have a great sense of humor. You have a great eye for design.
Template 5. I appreciate plus what they did.
I appreciate your help today. I appreciate you checking on me.
That one is amazing because it's not only a compliment, it's gratitude.
And gratitude builds relationships fast.
Now, can we do a few awkward examples and fix them?
Yes, this is important. Many learners say strange things because they translate directly.
Example, your body is very perfect.
Too intense, and also can feel creepy.
Better, you look great today. Or, that outfit looks great on you.
Another one, you are very smart. I love your brain.
That's funny, but no.
Better, you're really smart. Or, you're so sharp. Or, you always have great ideas.
Another one. You are so fat but nice. Please don't.
Yes, rule. Don't comment on weight.
Don't comment on someone's body shape, skin issues, age guesses, or anything sensitive.
Compliment what they control. Effort, style, choices, kindness, skills.
Okay, now I want to share a personal story. This is about me learning compliments in English.
Tell us.
When I first started speaking English, I thought compliments were dangerous. I was scared I'd sound weird.
Same.
One day, I was in a group project. There was a person who always organized everything. They made the group calm, and I wanted to say something nice.
What did you say?
I said, "You are a good manager of humans."
That's adorable.
Everyone laughed. Not in a mean way, but it was funny.
Because it sounds like you're managing a zoo.
Exactly, and I felt embarrassed. I wanted to disappear.
What happened next?
The person smiled and said, "I know what you mean. Thank you." And then they taught me the natural phrase, "You're really good at organizing."
That's such a good lesson.
Yes, even if you say it wrong, people often understand your intention. And you learn.
I have a story too. I once tried to compliment someone's cooking in English. I said, "This food is attacking my mouth in a good way."
Leo,
I meant strong flavor. I meant so delicious.
that sounds like spicy violence.
Exactly. They laughed. Then they taught me. This is so tasty. This is delicious. You nailed it.
You nailed it is a great phrase.
Yes. It means you did it perfectly.
Okay, let's give listeners some modern, friendly compliment phrases that sound natural.
Let's do it.
That's awesome.
That's amazing.
That's impressive.
That's so well done.
You crushed it.
You killed it. But careful. This is slang. It means you did very well. Use it with friends, not in serious professional settings.
Nice one.
Good call. That means good decision.
Love that for you. This one is modern. It means you support their choice.
It can sound playful. Use it with friends.
Now, how do we make compliments feel more natural in conversation?
Here's my tip. Make it quick, then move on. Don't stare. Don't repeat it 5 times.
Yes. Compliment, smile, continue.
Example. I like your jacket. Pause. Then ask, where did you get it?
Or, your idea is really good. Then, how did you think of it?
Another tip. Match the energy. If the situation is calm, use calm compliments.
If it's a celebration, you can be bigger. I'm so happy for you. You deserve it.
You deserve it is a strong supportive phrase.
Now, let's help learners who feel shy. If you're shy, start with tiny compliments.
Like, nice. Looks good. Great job.
Or even, I like that. It's simple, but it counts.
And you can practice alone. Say compliments out loud at home. Practice like a musician practices scales.
Yes. In front of the mirror, I like you're really good at.
It trains your mouth. It trains your confidence.
Now let's do a mini challenge for the listeners.
Okay,
Today, give one compliment in English. Just one.
it can be online. It can be in person. It can be to a friend, coworker, classmate, or even a stranger.
But keep it safe and respectful.
And after you do it, notice what happens. Most of the time, people light up.
And you will feel brave.
Also, if someone compliments you today, don't push it away. Say, thank you.
Yes. Receive it.
Okay, quick recap in a friendly way.
Compliment what people control. Effort, choices, skills, kindness.
Keep it simple and specific.
Use templates. I like your. I really like how you. You're really good at. I appreciate.
Respond with thank you.
And remember, compliments are small gifts.
Give them freely, but honestly.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to sound friendly in English.
And if you want, write one compliment in the comments, something you could say to a friend.
Like, you're doing great, or I appreciate you.
This was English You Never Learned with Emma and Leo.
Until next time, be kind, be brave, and keep speaking.
Bye.